Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In the next few minutes, we will revise all the important and repeated SPPU questions of the MIDS question paper. So let's begin. Revise the MIDS, all the concept note. Okay, so unit 1 regression. So in which the first concept is assumptions of linear regression. Question: what are the assumptions of linear regression? Okay, so in which there are 6 assumptions: linearity, independence of errors, homoscedasticity, normality of errors, no multicollinearity, no measurement error. Okay, the short form is LINNHM: linearity, independence, homoscedasticity, normality, no multicollinearity, and no measurement error. Second is linear versus logistic regression difference. So in which these are features in linear and logistic. Okay, so feature the output of linear regression continuous and the output of logistic regression is categorical. The function of linear regression is linear and function of logistic regression is sigmoid. The range of linear regression is minus infinity to plus infinity, and the range of logistic regression is 0 to 1. The example of linear regression is salary prediction, and the example of logistic regression is pass or fail, and also sigmoid function. And next is MLE, maximum likelihood estimation in logistic regression. Okay, the answer is MLE estimates the best model parameters, maximize probability of observed data. Logistic regression uses MLE instead of OLS. The key point is MLE is best beta values, okay, actual values. Then is logistic regression evolution matrix, in which we get the multiple type of 6 to 4 matrix. Okay, so first is confusion matrix, in which you get all over actual values versus predicted values table. So in which actual and predicted positive negative, truly positive, falsely positive, falsely negative, truly positive. The formulas are accuracy, in which accuracy truly positive plus truly negative divided by total confusion matrix. Precision truly positive divided by truly positive plus falsely positive. Recall truly positive divided by truly positive plus falsely negative. F1 score, it is a ratio of precision and recall. Okay, 2 into precision into recall divided by precision plus recall. Also ROC curve, AUC curve, area under the curve, and log loss function. Unit second, support vector machine and ensemble learning. Okay, in which support vector machine, what is support vector machine? In which there are 3 components: hyperplane, margin, and support vectors. Okay, then kernels, there are 4 types of kernel: linear kernel, polynomial kernel, radial bias function, and sigmoid kernel. Okay, so advantages of this is high dimensional data, good accuracy. Limitation is slow for large data sets and kernel selection difficult. Next is ensemble learning. What is ensemble learning? Combining multiple models to create a stronger model. Types of ensemble learning is bagging, it is parallel training and reduced variance. Example, random forest. Boosting, sequential training, reduced bias. Example is ADA boost, gradient boosting, and XGBoost. It is a extreme gradient boosting. Okay, and next is bagging. What is bagging? The steps of bagging is bootstrap sampling, train multiple models, majority voting, or average voting. Okay, so majority voting is linear and average voting is logistic. Okay, so benefits of this is reduce variance and reduce overfitting. Boosting, what is boosting? The steps is in boosting is there are 5 steps. First is train weak learner, find errors, increase weight of error, train next learner, and repeat. The benefit of this is reduce bias and improve accuracy. Next is XGBoost, extreme gradient boosting, improves overall gradient boosting, in which improvements over gradient boosting and regularization, parallel processing, missing value handling, tree pruning, and faster execution. Next is decision trees, in which decision tree structure is root node, internal node, branch, and leaf node. The feature space partitioning using this is recursive splitting, axis aligned split, and homogeneous regions. Okay, and next concept is concept and information gain, in which entropy formula is h of s is equal to summation minus summation of pi log to pi, in which pi is probability of each data points, and information gain is ig is equal to hs minus summation of sv divided by s is equal into h of sv. The rule is highest information gain is equal to best split. Next concept is overfitting and pruning. Overfitting causes deep trees, noise learning, small leaf nodes. Pruning types is pre-pruning, in which maximum data and minimum samples. Post pruning in build full tree and remove unnecessary branches. Okay, So next is random forest. Working of random forest is bootstrap the sampling, multiple trees, random feature selection, and majority voting. And advantages of random forest is high accuracy, less overfitting, and robustness. Unit for clustering. Okay, so in the clustering concept, first is clustering, grouping similar data points together. Applications of clustering: customer segmentation, image segmentation, anomaly detection, and document grouping. This is okay. Then k-means clustering. Steps of k-means clustering is choose k, initialize centroid, assign points, update centroid, and repeat until the centroids can be not changed. Okay, objective function is summation of xi minus uk square. Advantages of k-means clustering is simple and fast. Limitations is need k coefficient, sensitive to initial centroids, and cannot handle irregular shapes. dbScan, density based spatial scanning and noise. It is clustering type in which parameters epsilon, minimum points. Type of point is core point, border point, noise point. Also it is used for C shape type. Okay, and advantage of this is finds arbitrary shapes like C shapes and other, detects outlier, no need of k. Limitations is sensitive to epsilon and minimum points. Hierarchical clustering. Okay, hierarchical clustering is grouping using the tree like structure. Okay, in which we get types agglomerative and divisive. Agglomerative with a bottom up, in which data points, then the steps is data points, then merge cluster, then one cluster. And in divisive it is a top to down, like merge sort. Okay, same like this. So in which top down, then one cluster, then split and mini clusters. Okay, in which we also use dendrogram. What is dendrogram? It is a graph like structure in which important points, tree like diagram, shows cluster relationships. Height is equal to distance between clusters, and horizontal cut is equal to number of clusters. That is the whole concept of MIDS question paper or MIDS subject for the Endsem. So in which most repeated exam questions is very important. I hope this quick revision helps you in your exam preparation. Best of luck for your MIDS exam, and don't forget to subscribe for more exam oriented videos, and like and also share with your friends. Thank you.